Let's put everything that we learned in lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4 all together. I'm going to do one example with you, and then I'll have you do the other one when you're during your asynchronous time. So it costs $50 for 50 songs on iTunes. Question A says, what is the unit rate? So we want to know how many dollars per song. So let's make our fraction. $50 per 50 songs. Well, 50 divided by 50 is 1. So our unit rate is $1 per song. Part B says to complete the table. So let's fill in what we know. Well, our unit rate tells us that one song costs $1. So our X value is one song for $1. Well, I know that if I buy 0 songs, I pay $0. 2 songs would be $2. 3 songs, $3. 4 songs, 4, 5, and 6. So that is part B. Part C is asking to graph the unit rate by using the table. So as you can see, our X's are on our X-axis and our Y's are on our Y-axis. The X is the number of songs and the Y is the cost in dollars. So 0 songs cost $0. So I'm going to drag this to the origin, 0, 0. One song is $1. Over 1, up 1. 2 songs is $2. So I'm always starting at 0, over 2 for my X, up 2 for my Y. 3, 3, over 3 and up 3. Over 4 and up 4. Over 5 and up 5. And lastly, 6, 6 is over 6 and up 6. Okay, we could draw a line through this, but since we're using the technology, we can just take a look. I know that this circle looks a little bit out of line, but it should be in line. And we can see that this makes a straight line that goes through the origin. So we know that we have a proportional relationship. Next is to write an equation for the graph. So remember, our equation is always y equals our unit rate, which is 1, and then x. So here is our equation. Let's see what this means. This means if I take my x value and multiply it by 1, I should get my y. Let's make sure this all works. If I take my x value and multiply it by 1, will I get 0? Yes, I will. If I multiply 1 times 1, I get 1. 2 times 1, I get 2, etc., all the way down. So this is where we just put all 4 of our lessons together. Unit rates, tables, graphs, and equations. Next, I'd like you to try the next slide.